province from Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, representing Clave Island.
If you could redefine the role of a beauty queen today, what would it be and why?
If I could redefine a beauty queen today, a beauty queen should have a heart. She is fearless, kind, and true and authentic to herself. And I think I am the embodiment of my definition of a beauty queen because in my town, Urdaneta City, I've been working with my foundation, Emerald Foundation, and aside from that, I am also feeding children. I have feeding programs and teaching children with disabilities and capabilities, and I hope that I will bring this to 100 islands. And as a beauty queen, I think that she is fearless. When I say fearless, she is not afraid to show herself. She is unapologetic, and she should fight for what is right and for what is happening in our country.
Since 100 Islands is a heritage site, how would you ensure the future generations can still enjoy it na gaya ng nagagawa natin ngayon?
I think, like me, I am 24 and I am also an entrepreneur and a government employee. And we think we can enjoy 100 Islands if we choose to celebrate it with the people that we love, with our friends, with our families, and here, to you guys, the LGU of Alaminos. And I think I am already celebrating the happiness and the hospitality of people of Alaminos. I think we should do this more often, and if I will win Miss 100 Islands, I would like to use social media platforms such as creating podcasts, showcasing the heritage and the stories of each and every one of Alaminos.
How would you convince tourists to practice eco-friendly habits without sounding restrictions?
How can I convince them? One thing that I would tell them is leave only their footprints, their happy memories, but not their trashes. One thing that I admire with the LGU of Alaminos is that they have this one policy. It is garbage in, garbage out. And if I will also create my policy with Alaminos,